Lesson 1: Introduction to HTML. What is HTML? HTML was first found in 1991. This is the founder of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and the job of HTML is to tell browsers what content to display. And this can be text, images, links, videos, and so on. Another thing is that HTML is actually not a programming language. A lot of people make this mistake by confusing HTML and other programming languages. So since we call it an hypertext markup language, it's clear that HTML is a markup language. It's not a programming language. Every web page, any website that you see online, HTML was used to create that website. So this is starting to show the power of HTML, of course, right? So how does HTML work? That's an important question. Well, we know that since it's a markup language, there are things that it's going to be using in order for a computer or a browser to understand what is going on. For example, they use things that are known as tags. This whole thing here is known as a tag, a paragraph tag, a p tag. That's what we call it. Okay? And this p tag defines what you're going to write. Okay? Usually it comes like, okay, you open P and then you close, and then you type whatever you want to say. Like that can be a sentence, it can be anything you want to say, and then you close it. So we know that it starts with an opening tag and closes with a closing tag. This is very important. Every time when you open a tag in HTML, you need to remember to close it. If you don't, then your web page will be messed up. Okay? Now, this is the structure of HTML. First, before you write any line of code in HTML, you need to declare what type of document you're writing. Okay? As you can see on this example, this is exactly how an HTML structure looks like. Like, we declare the document by saying this is an HTML document. We open the HTML and we close it down here. Okay? We open and we close. And then we open the head tag and then we close it. Like we mentioned, things like titles goes in the head tag. So you can see between the head we have title, and then you can put whatever you want to put here. Title, my first page, and then you close. Okay? And then under the head we have the body, and the body opens and closes. Okay? So here we say anything like images, anything we want to see on the web page. Like here they're saying hello world, I'm learning HTML. The exact thing you see here is what we will see on the page when we go and refresh. Alright, well, that was it for today. Now I will want you to go ahead and practice what you see on the screen. I will need you to open Visual Studio Code like we downloaded in the last video. If you haven't downloaded the video, you will click on the top left corner of your screen right now. There should be a pop-up that will show you how to download, or you can just go up on the previous video and it will show you how to download Visual Studio Code. Once you open Visual Studio Code, I want you to create a file called index.html. Okay? And once you do that, I want you to type the sample code, this one. So you can pause or you can go back in the video and copy exactly what I'm showing you here. And once you're done, save it and open it in the browser. So in short, this is what I'm asking you to do. I want you to go ahead and open Visual Studio Code, like you can see. And Visual Studio Code is going to open. Once it opens, I want you to go ahead and create a file called index.html. Like last time, we created that file. Okay? Once you create it, remember it has to be in the folder called HTML course. Now, I will show you a trick. This is exactly what everybody does. Everyone who code knows this secret. Okay? I'll go ahead and maybe make it a little big so that way you can see. So, the first thing that you're gonna do is, if you wanna see the HTML structure quickly, this is how you build it. Exclamation, tab. Okay? I'll repeat. Exclamation, tab. If you want, Shift 1, tab. Now you have the HTML structure. And you can see the declaration of what document you are writing. Okay? They have this, so you can say HTML and then say what language your page is gonna be in. We open the tag, we close the tag. Okay, as you can see here, we open the tag, we close the tag. And then after that, we open the tag head, we close the tag. The title of the document goes within the head. The metadata, this again involves the font, how the page is gonna look like when it goes to different screens. The metadata goes in the head, okay, and then after the head we open the body and then we close the body, and everything else goes in here. So I want you to do this. Okay, so you type h1, you close, and then automatically VS Code closes the tag for you, and you can say hello world, okay, with exclamation. And then under that we type P, we close it, and then we say I am learning how to code with variable x. I can type. Okay, after that you save. You will always use Command S, that's to save. And how do you know if you have to save something? You basically go on the top. If you see the one, then you press Command S, the one disappears. It's always here. Okay, the one disappears, Command S or Control S on those who are using Windows. And then now you know that you have saved your information. Okay, and once you're done, you will go back to the Finder. Okay, you will go to the Finder and then you will go to Documents, your folder, HTML course, and you can see the index.html. Double click it and they will open it for you. Hello world, I'm learning how to code with variable x. Okay, this is it. If you have any question, if you want it to open in Google Chrome, all you will do, you will right click, two fingers, and then open with Google Chrome, and then they will open it for you. Thank you so much, and this was to just show you how to get started with your normal page in HTML. If you have any question, don't forget to ask, and don't forget to like this video and share with your friends if you think it's beneficial to them.